I mean that's
फटके वाला हो गया.
like imagine this combined. So okay, so I guess we can move on to the next topic फिलहाल तो.
हाँ, sure.
And so I didn't used to accept this, but come on, I'm an Apple fanboy ऐसा. I have just accepted it अभी फिलहाल के लिए. And I hate Windows. Just to say, Linux, I love you. You saved my ass पहले, but I hate Windows. And so there is this really great hardware. Come on, imagine AMD plus Apple, like. Fuck, they would kill it. And it's happening. They found new code in
It's happening.
macOS ka build or
It's
something.
definitely happening.
And so
Advait's MacBook has an AMD CPU and the Mac Pro has an AMD GPU बोल रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
CPU क्या? GPU.
so they're already in partnerships for GPU and अभी CPU के लिए भी होने ही वाला है I guess. No, I'm talking about
I hope
CPU
so,
के
yeah.
kernels they found in the new beta builds of macOS. So
Nice.
So imagine all okay, so the reason I hate Windows, there's a long list, but फिलहाल के लिए what's relevant is somehow it makes your PC slow, like with background tasks and
It
updates.
makes your PC very slow.
So
That's right.
That's the thing. And so I'm an Apple fan. I'll just accept it अभी फिलहाल तो.
Same, even I'm a MacBook fan, not an Apple fan. I'll say I'm a MacBook fan.
Oh no, but you get
MacBooks are
stressed
beautiful.
So okay, so let's just start from the beginning. So our next topic is the ecosystem, of course, Apple ka. And so I'll give my story as a brief में कि I bought an iPad ऐसा for doing college work and everything, and it worked ऐसा flawlessly, like you know, ऐसा something that you wouldn't expect it to do, and it did it ऐसा, and I'm like fuck, that's really nice. But ऐसा it was limited because I had all Windows, Android. I was in different streams ऐसा. And so I did a lot of video editing udhar and coding and stuff, but I really needed something on the go वैसे, because I guess मेरा productivity was low पहले because I had to go at that one place and sit down there. I don't know, I sound like एकदम bitchy की
No,
you have
absolutely
all that
not.
ऐसा and
You don't. I mean तुम लोग को लगे कि ये dumb sound कर रहा है, but I really understand what he's saying right here.
So the thing is I coded less, and then video editing was a mess until, I mean, if I had a team behind me, it would happen. Come on, you have come here and stayed.
That's right.
So I decided it's time I get a laptop aisa. And so I looked at some Windows laptops वगैरह, but I never really clicked aisa. And Apple was a mess. Apple was a fucking mess. The new 2019 MacBook and stuff, it was a big mess.
Very bad.
So we had a movie for, okay, a lot of people wouldn't get this, but we had a competition, Illusions karke, and our movie wasn't working anywhere, and then we used a competitor's MacBook Pro to play our movie, and we won. We got the first prize. There's a lot of controversy there, but whatever. And so it stuck with me ki, fuck, every laptop betrayed us except that MacBook aisa.
Except that MacBook. Yes.
And so it stuck with me. I was already inclined towards MacBooks. Okay, so I was like, I'll take one on EMI, and I have an internship or I guess freelancing or something.
Employment.
That can pay the EMI, monthly EMI. And so I went to the Apple store. It was an impulse decision कि नहीं यार मेरे को चाहिए ऐसा.
Yeah, he told me about this.
And then I went there and I was like, don't go. So recently the 16-inch MacBook was launched, so it was at that time, like around
December. नया launch हुआ था.
December or नहीं, it was after January. The MacBook launched in December, and this was after January. This was
right.
Yeah, around Feb and stuff. And so I went there and I saw the 16-inch. I'm like, I'm not touching it because I know I'll get addicted. And I tried the 13-inch and I loved it. The keyboard was a bit late, but I was kind of scared because the keyboard issues. तभी 13-inch update नहीं हुआ था. So keyboard issues and heating issues again. And I was taking the base model.
Right.
128 GB, but my friend didn't. My friend uses a MacBook Air 128 GB वाला, and she said कि full हो जाता है जल्दी. So I was like, okay, I'll take one upgrade.
128 तो full हो जाता है बहुत जल्दी.
And so okay, so I was going on a date तभी तो. Fuck, let's hope my mom doesn't see this. So I went on a date and she was late. She was half an hour late to that. And so my favorite thing to do is whenever I'm not doing anything as a mall mein is go to Maple and try out the new Apple product.
Oh yeah.
That is
I feel conscious. I can't do that, but I understand where you're coming from.
And so I just went in and saw the laptop set and started ऐसा just doing random stuff उधर. I'm like, fuck, there is something different keyboard में ऐसा. And I'm like, oh, I've touched the wrong laptop. And I was like, fuck it, let's go. And so I tried them side by side ऐसा with doing some stuff and ये performance देख रहा था मैं. And I just fell in love with it, man. Like, I really can't explain what the feeling is, but ऐसा. This is a walled garden. See, this is a walled garden they are talking about. Once you're inside, you can't explain why you love it. ऐसा. But still,
yeah, you can't. And dude, I was also at Maple. Like my grandmom had to take an iPhone, and there was a 16-inch MacBook Pro there, and I was like, I have to try this out. And I realized that the trackpad is almost as big as my hand.
Yeah, that's the thing. You touch anywhere and it's working.
It's bigger than my hand, dude. What the heck? Huge trackpad. I was like, that's. I think the trackpad and the software is what sell MacBook Pros.
I'm sold on the software. I know there will be better performing CPUs.
Yeah,
and
down the line.
Yeah, but it is something about that software and that reliance key. I can depend on this machine for the next 5 or 10 years down the line.
Exactly.
And it's just that integration, man. Come on, like, okay, so I have an iPad now and MacBook, like I say, and they work as a
that is an amazing workflow.
Yeah, they work as a flawlessly together. Like, I can use that as my second screen via Wi-Fi, I say, and stuff, and it works flawlessly.
What's that feature called? It's called.
Fuck, I forgot what.
कुछ तो बोलते हो feature को. Sidecar,
yeah. God, how can I forget?
Sidecar बोलते हो.
हाँ.
So you can use the iPad as a secondary screen by connecting it to the MacBook.
I don't know. So, and this is way faster than my PC, of course, because
obviously
it is integrated so well. I had some points, but I'm going way off track इधर, like कुछ भी बोल रहा है मैं. But that's the thing.
Okay.
But okay, the main topic. Okay, Apple is great. I love it. Everyone knows it's amazing. ऐसा. If you use it right, ऐसा. Like,
if you exactly, you
right,
can't.
Can't just say कि I'm a fanboy.
अगर तुमको heavy duty काम नहीं करना है तो आप Dell का लैपटॉप ले लो यार. XPS काफी अच्छा लाइनअप है, ठीक है?
You can use that, like, I mean, this shit is overpriced. Come on, I'll tell you that, ऐसा. Like,
yeah, it is overpriced.
It is overpriced, so you
unless you're actually getting the value of it, you're just wasting money.
Yeah, it's overpriced, ऐसा. Like, unless you're making that money back, it is not worth it, ऐसा.
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. If you're doing that, then it's okay.
So if you are not doing that, so you can buy a cheaper laptop and you can buy an extra phone. Extra phone as in a phone you love, वैसा. You can use that money elsewhere, not just as a buying stuff. Right. But yeah.
वही ना. That's right.
You can donate to PM Relief. Fuck it. I'm not plugging you in.
Cut.
So yeah. Okay, so the main point of this topic was I'm getting stuck in that ecosystem that everyone is talking about, and I think it won't happen to me. Come on, man. Like, I love tech. I'm gonna explore Android phones. I'm gonna see Windows ka new updates, वगैरह. And I don't remember sitting on my PC since I bought my laptop. Like, never. My brother uses it now to play games, but never. So yeah, that's the thing. And this is a small monitor compared to my Purana wale 2 monitors, and the iPad is even smaller. So that's one thing I miss, I guess. Nothing else. Like, I haven't shut this machine down for I think 3 weeks now. I just wake up, I put the lid off, and everything is where I left it.
You don't need to do that. That's the best thing about macOS.
And they did it so well. I remember ऐसा मैं phone पे बात कर रहा था, and there was a system update ऐसा, and I updated it ऐसा, and I left it ऐसा. ये open था, Safari open था, there were websites open, there was YouTube tab, there was WhatsApp open. It updated, सब वैसा ही था वापस. It did a full system update around it, and everything was there, right there. And I'm like, I mean, I don't need that. Come on, I'll take the system update के बाद सब चला गया, but it's just that everything, it is transparent. Like, the process of you having an idea and making it just makes that transparent. काफी, I love it ऐसा.
Yeah. It's like once you go Apple, you can't go back. It's like that.
People have done it, but
you get used to the. But then you need to, like.
People did it because Apple pissed them
amount of money
with the Bekar Macs, Bekar keyboards, and
that was really bad.
Like I've seen
that was when a lot of people switched to like Windows laptops.
And Windows does a good job of taking you when others are hating you, aisa.
That's right. ये बराबर बोला.
So
absolutely correct.
Windows is nice. I mean, come on, I have used Windows बचपन से अभी तक. It is just that I'm fed up. That's the thing.
But then that's the you've used Windows बचपन से and just what 3 months, 5 months with this new laptop and you're loving Mac.
I love it.
It's like that.
So I have some specific needs, sir. Like.
Right.
I mean, I can use so what happened is my PC got real slow with Windows. It used to start and I have to wait 10 minutes. Okay, Windows will now do all the background tasks. Pura update. What the fuck is updating when it wants? You are supposed to work for me, not the other way around.
Yeah, it updates when it doesn't care.
Like, when did you download it? I'm not getting it. कहाँ से आ रहा है ये सब?
Right.
I was fed up with that process. Like, it is fine for 1 or 2 days, but when it happens for 7,000 days in a row, you get pissed off. I am losing fucking days with that.
7,000 days.
And come on, you don't know it, I guess, because you use an SSD. I have a 7-year-old hard drive running that computer, so it is like okay. Maybe I would have changed the. So what happened is I put Linux on it because I wanted to try server stuff, and Linux ran perfectly fine. As soon as it launched, I could go to Chrome and run everything and it would be proper. And so I'm like, Windows तेरा problem क्या है फिर? Like
Windows is damn
attitude है with that.
It's really bad.
So yeah, you SSD guys have it fun, ऐसा कि come on.
Yeah, I mean, fair enough. But
you have an SSD,
when you said, in my laptop there's an SSD. But I remember my hard disk days. They're very bad.
So I guess hard disk was the problem. We are blaming Windows, but there are other things Windows में. Come on,
Windows भाई, मैं तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ ना, even with an SSD, Windows is slow by default. Like when I shut like taxing programs, like I had Encoder and Premiere Pro running just now, and I shut both of them down. I have to wait some time for the system to settle down so it can work properly. Samjha, snappy. I can't just shut them down and press the Windows button, start typing right away. The system settles. It needs to settle
because
down.
There is so much legacy code running on it. We had the Twitter thread with the Piyush guy, remember? And there were a lot of good points there. There is a lot of legacy code in Windows that they are depending on. Like
what is legacy code?
Like they still have the control panel and the settings here and stuff like that.
Yeah, a lot of people are complaining about that also.
I don't know what is internally wrong with that software why is it doing so many background tasks कि मेरा पूरा system slow हो गया है. Like the entire point of an operating system is to help us use the computer, not use the computer itself. So that's the thing.
Exactly, that's right.
I just love it. And then I just love how everything works. And come on, Apple, fuck you Apple for doing this. And I know you'll take it as a compliment, if I plug my Android phone and I have to transfer files, it is not that hard to make drivers for it. It's just that no one takes the effort to do it. So I have to share it and live with their Kanda ads.
Bad.
I love those. I hate those ads, sorry.
Advait throwing shade on Apple.
Oh yeah, I don't know. It doesn't happen often. So yeah, I mean, it won't even acknowledge कि ऐसा कुछ connect हुआ है उससे. It'll be like, okay, yeah, you want power, go ahead, create it ऐसा.
It'll say something like generic media input, something. It's a generic USB. नहीं बोलता ऐसे?
I haven't seen ये क्या बोलते हैं device manager ऐसा कुछ.
अच्छा उसमें है? Does macOS have device manager?
See, I never needed it. Exactly, there was no driver installation. I plugged my iPad in and it activated a second screen ऐसा पहले इस पे ही. I mean, it is like stuff like this. I don't have to worry about drivers है कि नहीं इसके लिए.
Right.
Exactly. I mean, I sound like a bitch right now. Like I'm gonna probably edit this and be like, are you sure तेरे को इतना problem? I mean, you are not 97 years old कि तेरे को driver से problem होना चाहिए. I mean, see, I'm at a point कि if I wanna buy a new phone, normally it would be an Android phone, which is the best.
Right.
Like I usually go with budget phones ऐसा because I don't pen. I don't
yeah.
care about processors because I'm not playing on them
Exactly.
anyway. I care about
Exactly,
camera,
that's
I
right.
care about screen, and I care about the experience. But
Right.
at what point do I just be like, fuck, if I don't buy an iPhone, that will be really dumb because these guys don't work together anyway.
Right,
having
right.
a seamless experience helps. So I saw this video iska Jonathan Morrison ka, he did this ये क्या बोलते हैं Mac Pro के ऊपर review, and so he had a sound engineer make a sound I guess make a song for him ऐसा. So they were making a song and they just shot it ऐसा, and everything worked ऐसा. They unboxed everything and they started working ऐसा instantly. Like no I mean there is setup ऐसा, but it started working instantly. And so
the Mac Pro?
The Mac Pro, huh? And so he paused ऐसा and he's like, I need to record a beat. So everyone kept quiet. He just recorded it on his iPhone.
AirDrop कर दिया
रहेगा. And I'm like, what the fuck?
That is a very common workflow.
Yeah, so
a lot of people do that.
So okay, so my point is, everyone has the resources right now, like ऐसा. So why doesn't Android just make a Windows fucking app? Make it. And I know Windows does a lot of background stuff, so it won't crash. It won't crash in the background ऐसा. I know Windows has a lot of background stuff, so it's personal experience. So make an app. I have no clue. मैं इतने time सोचता ना, because my end game is, I want to start a company which is manufacturing phones and tablets and the tech devices. So I continuously think about why will people buy my products ऐसा.
Right.
And so what I think is Apple will take over a big time tabhi. So Apple will be a major competitor if I have that tabhi. And so how do I defeat them? So unka basic features so I must do na. On some level. So I'm thinking I'll have my Android phone. I'll make an app integrated into the operating system ऐसा, which can send files as AirDrop जैसा. And I'll just have a Windows app or Mac app to receive it.
Right.
And like, okay,
makes a lot of sense.
Makes sense. Why hasn't anyone done it? Like if anyone knows the answer, you can text me. But why hasn't anyone done that already? These are some obvious things that people haven't copied. So you know that Apple ka and OnePlus did it. That slider.
Yeah.
That is a godsend. And I checked the patents on it. No one has the patent for it. So you can just copy it right away. Aisa. And it is not that hard to copy. Right. It's just a button. So exactly. And it helps so much. Aisa ki you just do that and And these are some really obvious stuff that you must.
And the thing is, exactly, I used to in my old Motorola phone, I used to do that a lot. I used to toggle between the sound profiles a lot. Because I was really conscious when my phone would ring. Like I wanted it to ring in very less scenarios.
And as college students, we have to manage it. Lecture khatam hota hai to put it on not silent and put it on ringer, and then lecture hai to vibrate.
Sachi hai. I very few times is my phone ever on ring. Okay, very few times. Most of the time it is on vibrate or silent. And you have no idea that this slider has been so useful. I've been using it so much that I'm scared that I'll actually spoil it earlier than its life.
Oh no, its life is way more.
I mean, I know, I won't, but that's how much I'm using it. It's so convenient. Right now I had to record this, I just had to put it like एक tick करना पड़ा and I'm good to go. Like अभी कुछ बजेगा नहीं, audio में कोई problem नहीं आएगा.
Why is it not coming ऐसा इधर से? I have to
exactly.
do it.
I can just reach out and it is so convenient for someone like me at least. And that's something very simple. You can do it. Anyone can do it.
It's not that hard. And so another obvious thing was the vibration motor. So you probably won't know. Your OnePlus phones have it really nice. Like
very nice vibration motors.
Apple or Samsung level, but they are really fucking nice. And you don't know it until you see a really good one. Like you think vibration motor mein kya hai aisa, and it's like unless you see a really nice one, you're like, oh fuck, this is the phone moving, not just a motor moving inside aisa.
Yeah. Dude, yesterday what do you call it? I bought out my old phone. Like I had planned to sell it, but I still haven't got around to it. And I need it for like some secondary YouTube and stuff, and like monitoring and stuff like that. And when I felt that my vibrator after like 4 months now, I was like, what is this? It's like that. I was like, whoa! I was using this for so long. Holy shit!
And you wouldn't notice it until you feel the
that's
other
right.
one.
That's right.
I mean, these are some really obvious stuff. Like, okay, so I think we was on the same page, but a lot of people prioritize processor when they don't need it. Vasa. Like, your mom doesn't need that 860 to run that WhatsApp chat. Get away, but she's gonna use that screen for her entire life. Aisa. So you really need a good screen.
You need a good screen, like, and a good speaker at least.
People need to be conscious about ये जब खरीदते हैं phone, because I see a lot of people कि इसका processor अच्छा है. The screen is 1080p, but 1080p screens have so many different factors in them. वैसा.
True, very true.
So
like, I think Samsung makes one of the best screens even on the budget phones.
Yeah, exactly. Mine is a budget phone, and I love that screen. It's an AMOLED.
It's really nice.
21.
AMOLED. Yeah, very nice.
Those are amazing screens.
No doubt. And उनका hardware भी काफी ज़्यादा reliable. So it's gonna last also.
Yeah, so mine has a lower end processor. उतना मेरे को पता है, because everyone, when I bought this, everyone is like, so this is not a popular. I have a Galaxy A70, so that's not a popular purchase. But the reason I did it because ये क्या बोलते हैं, I love the screen. The camera was good. It's amazing with Gcam. वैसे तो Samsung software messes it up. The software and one of the main reasons was Samsung Pay. So the way Samsung Pay works. So that's why that was one of the, because Apple Pay.
You use Samsung Pay?
I use it a lot. I use it for every purchase because I am so scared of my credit card number getting out there. Debit card number getting out there. Is that I use it as a. And then there's so many thefts, right? The swiping magnet thingy, vagera, and then the pin copy karna and stuff.
Yeah, I've never actually used my card. I just use GPay and like Paytm.
So the problem with GPay and Apple Pay is they work only with NFC. This Samsung Pay tech, it is patented, sadly. The way it works is it has some special magnetic chips in it, and it replicates the card ka magnetic strip. Vaisa. So even the machines who don't have the NFC, so it is, whenever you turn it on, there are like swipes going around continuously, and one of them will match the uska swipe. And so when you get close to it, it swipes.
That's nice.
So yeah, so you can use it anywhere except the one जिसमें कार्ड घुसाना पड़ता है अंदर.
So chip वाला. So essentially it's a software which emulates hardware.
No, there is a special chip to do that. Yeah. There is a special chip inside Samsung.
Inside the phone, right?
Yeah. So
instead of the magnetic card, what does it do? It sends a signal, and that's how the magnetic strip gets simulated.
So the way that magnetic strip works is, जब वो swipe करते हैं, the magnetic field triggers something like that.
Right.
So this just creates that magnetic field, and it will just skip the magnetic strip.
Wait. That's what I meant. Wow, nice.
I mean, that is
so it's essentially right, got
it's essentially a debit card as a pura cheese. Although the only problem is not a lot of people know how it works. So sometimes the cashiers will be like, where is your card? And I'll give my phone, and they'll be like, I'll show my phone a second, I tap करते हैं, and they'll be like, इधर tap का नहीं, and I'll be like, नहीं हो जाएगा. And somehow they trust it or something. They give the machine.
That's nice.
And I just tap it sides and they're like, oh, okay. So that's
nice.
That's nice.
GPay. I've never used GPay ka NFC. I just like.
Oh no, I use NFC.
I don't use my card in stores and stuff. I just use it for like. What do I use it for? I don't use it for a lot actually. मैं store में तो कभी नहीं लेके गया.
Oh नहीं, so क्या बोल रहा था मैं? हाँ, so GPay has this really smart technique. So what they do is, I guess I remember seeing this video एक तो, and there was some startup, and they had to share some files ऐसा कुछ तो, and Bluetooth was really slow, and so they just had to pair the two phones. And so what
right.
they did was they started listening on one device and sent ऐसा ultrasonic audio or something दूसरे device से. So that was the pairing process of that. You send a code इधर से and then you pair Wi-Fi या Bluetooth या some other techniques.
Right.
So then Google bought that company or something and then used it in GPay. So
they have that sending and
so if you send that message, you keep the phone speaker इधर ना, you get टी वाला आवाज उधर.
Yeah. They use ultrasonic sounds to like send money and stuff. That's nice. That's really cool. I know that feature.
That's an amazing